This is an entirely plastic unit. It does have the disc shape on the bottom, and that is about, from a circumference, about 7 inches across all the way. You do have adjustability and flexibility there that you can tighten down when you get to the angle that you want. And when you're ready to take it apart, you just rotate to the right to unlock it, and then it does fold in on itself. When the dog's tail is wagging, it means it's ready to use. And when you get closer to an item, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 doggy bones showing up at the bottom to say that you are close to metal. It does also give the battery indicator. The bag is about 19 by 14. It is a drawstring bag, super easy, vinyl, ready to use. It also comes with these for digging up items. These are a plastic, and I do like that they have the depth indicators here, 4, 3, 2, and 1 inches into the ground. They are kind of a coated plastic with a real bit of a rubberized, really well made. I think these will be fun for any kind of a kid's backyards kind of a project. And then you have your spade rake as well. Again, great construction, great quality. As far as the details go, GoGonova, it's very easy to use. The instructions were pictorial, very easy to set up. You just have to add batteries. And should you need any assistance, they do also give information where you can reach out to a contact, which I do appreciate. So compact, so easy to use. I think this is fantastic if you want to go along with anyone else who has a larger, more sophisticated metal detector, and it would be a great like daddy daughter, something to do with grandpa kind of activity where the kids can go out there and have fun and find things as well. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.